Hi everyone, this is Nancy from Boldin and welcome to day 11 of our Get Started series, designed to guide you in accurately setting up your plan. In today's video, I'll discuss the money flow section of the Boldin Planner. Money flows begins with contributions, and you have the ability to add two types of contributions in the planner. Income-linked contributions are best used for contributions that are deducted from your paycheck or funded by your employer, and they will always be funded even if that requires withdrawals from savings to fund expenses. All income-linked contributions will be subject to annual contribution limits depending upon the account type, such as IRA, 401k, or HSA. Standard contributions are best for contributions that you want funded after all expenses are met, and they're not subject to the annual employee contribution limit. You may use standard contributions for any after-tax contributions to a 401k. Moving down to excess income. When your income exceeds your planned savings and expenses, you'll have excess income in the planner and need to tell the tool what to do with it. First, select the percentage of excess income you'd like to save. Then, select one of your after-tax accounts as the recipient of your excess income based upon what you would do with excess income in real life. The next section is withdrawal strategies, and Boldin's 3 withdrawal strategies are available to Planner Plus members. The default based on spending needs withdrawal strategy will withdraw only enough to fund the expenses in your plan. The fixed percentage withdrawals strategy includes annual inflationary increases. Note that this strategy does not override your spending, so there may be years when withdrawals exceed the fixed percent. And if the fixed percent withdrawals are higher than your spending, you may run out of money sooner under this strategy. The maximum spending strategy will withdraw down to your legacy goal or zero if you don't have one, to illustrate your spending capacity. There are also 2 withdrawal orders available in the planner. Traditional withdrawal order will start with after-tax accounts and move on in the order seen here. You may use the customized withdrawal strategy to better manage tax brackets by dragging and dropping the accounts into your preferred order. With each of these strategies, the planner will take withdrawals from one account until it's depleted and then move on to the next. At this time, they don't allow for proportional withdrawals, and you would need to use the transfer feature to add that layer of customization. The next area is transfers, which allows you to move money in and around your plan. Transfers are commonly used to pay down debts. And the last section is Roth conversions, where you may add Roth conversions, which may also be applied directly from the Roth Conversion Explorer. See our resources on the Roth Conversion Explorer to learn more about this feature. Thank you very much for joining me in this series. We look forward to seeing you in our other classes and live events, and wish you happy planning.